Farmer Meggie here. I'm filming this from my favorite pond near my house, where I'm about to go for a walk. It's dusk, that time of day right before sundown, after dinner time, right before everything starts to get dark. All around, you can hear animals talking. From the pond in front of me to the woods behind. I have a challenge for you. Tonight at dusk, open your window or walk outside your door and listen closely for the sounds of animals. What do you hear? Imagine if we never heard or saw any wild animals again. In 1962, an author named Rachel Carson wrote a book called Silent Spring about how humans were hurting the earth so much that when people walked outside, it was silent. You couldn't hear any birds chirping or insects buzzing, nothing. That was because humans had caused so much damage to the earth. In the year 1970, some activists felt like it was time to make a big change. So they started the first Earth Day on April 22nd, 1970 to appreciate and take care of the earth. You can make choices that help the earth too, even if you're indoors. Here's 3 ideas how. First, you can lower the amount of resources that you use. While you're washing your hands in the sink, turn off the water for the 20 seconds that it takes to scrub your hands with soap. You can even make signs to put around your house to help your family remember how to help take care of the earth. Second, you can help reduce the amount of resources you use by choosing a meal to get your protein from plants instead of meat. When you eat plants like nuts, beans, soy, and lentils, you can use less resources. Animals have to eat plants to grow bigger, so more resources get used to make meat than get used to make plants. Third, you can reuse things instead of throwing them away. Like this watering can I made out of a Powerade bottle. Now it's Plant-Aid. Get creative. What could you reuse at your house? Starting this Earth Day, what's one choice you can make to help save the earth and the animals that live on it? Write it down and tell someone in your family about it. Happy Earth Day from Couscous and me.